In the Olympics, the ability to adapt on the fly can mean the difference between winning and losing. Know this though, champions don't panic, they pivot. And Olympic athletes teach us 3 critical lessons about pivoting. Firstly, stay calm under pressure. Clear thinking leads to better decisions. Secondly, trust your preparation. When you're ready for the unexpected, pivoting becomes second nature. And thirdly, focus on the goal, not the obstacle. A clear vision helps you to adjust and keep moving forward. Now, I've seen this firsthand as part of the Jamaican bobsled team, where every race demanded adaptability. And I know that these lessons can transform how you handle challenges in business and life. See, when you embrace adaptability, every challenge becomes an opportunity. Want to learn more? Well, click on the link below to connect. And of course, keep on pushing.